What's up, everybody? It's Meredith Shirk with Svelte Training, and I'm so excited because I have an awesome chocolate weight loss smoothie. You heard that right. It's chocolate, it's weight loss, and it's so simple because it's a smoothie. All of my favorite things. As always, just like the workouts, let's run through all the ingredients and then let's make it together. All right, so you can see we've got a number of things going on here. Spinach, banana, almond butter, and then this plate of interesting ingredients. This does not look appetizing, this. Everything else does. We have got cacao powder and cinnamon. This is natural almond butter. So don't let it scare you. It's literally just crushed up almonds. So when you buy almond butter from the store, like in an actual plastic tin, not plastic tin, like a plastic peanut butter jar, it doesn't look like this because it's not natural. There's all kinds of mixed in things. But if you put almonds in a blender and then you mix it up, this is what it looks like. I just wanted to let you know because it doesn't look that great. And I laughed about it when I put it on this plate, and I knew you guys would probably be like, what is that? So super simple recipe. Everything combined here helps lower blood cholesterol levels, helps increase your inflammatory properties in your body, especially the cinnamon and the spinach, which has a lot of great protein in it. So weight loss smoothie, you will not taste the spinach in the actual smoothie. I know it seems scary. You're gonna put spinach in something and mix it up and then drink it. Does not sound appetizing, but if you check out another recipe that we've done with avocado and chocolate, you don't taste the avocado. Very similar thing here. So super simple. Like we always do, we are doing a cup of almond milk, unsweetened vanilla almond milk. You can use cashew milk, you can use a coconut milk, whatever you have, just the unsweetened version, because the sweetened version has a ton of extra sugar and you do not need it because of half a banana is actually, if I could speak, actually really sweet, so you don't need anything else to actually sweeten that up. You can use a half banana, you can use a whole banana if you are a banana lover. I would freeze it first because it makes it more like an actual smoothie, not like a juice. Then you do a cup of spinach, just like a handful, okay? Handful of spinach, you can't go wrong. Thing you're gonna wanna do is make sure it's blended a lot because you don't wanna get a chunk of that in your smoothie, like just not blended up, because then you definitely will taste the spinach. Then we are going 2 tablespoons of cacao. So I'm just gonna dump this in here because it's gonna get messy if I start to try and scoop this up. There it goes. It's gonna get messy anyway. So if you like more chocolate or less chocolate, and then you're going cinnamon, so I'd go probably 2 teaspoons, and then the almond butter. Definitely gonna use the spoon for that, and it's in a chunk. So I made a huge mess, just letting you guys know it's gonna happen. Can't make it perfect. Grace never makes a mess. I don't know, and I'm not gonna try and clean that up, but if you want non-messy videos, go to Grace's videos because they're way cleaner than mine. So super simple, just put everything in the blender and then you turn it on. Now that it's all over my hands, you see I was like shaking a little bit, it's trying to get the spinach actually mixed in. So, I mean, that is it. Super simple, and you've got a little bit of that cacao powder on the outside. It's gonna kind of ball up on the top. You can see those little flakes of spinach. Ooh, a little chunk of banana, it's okay. It's gonna happen, especially if it's frozen, it might get stuck somewhere, but that's it. Super simple, weight loss chocolate smoothie. Has spinach, has antioxidants, has protein, everything that you're gonna need to make sure that your body is actually operating and it tastes really good. So more recipes just like this, and to find recipes that I don't make a huge mess, check out Grace's recipes, but also all of our awesome workouts, and like it, love it, share it, and I'll see you guys on the next one.